Hi, my kindergarten friends. It's Mrs. Gorski, and today I'm going to show you a really cool math website called Coolmath4Kids. And the particular part of this site is talking about pattern blocks, because this week you're going to be focusing on a lesson called What Did You Make? And you're going to be using pattern blocks to build designs. So we're going to do two different ways. We're going to use pattern blocks just like these in a blank area. And if you didn't want to do it that way, you can click on this little section called pattern puzzles, and you could choose any one of these pattern puzzles to bring it to the blank area, and you could use the pattern blocks to fill. So we're going to do two ways. I'm going to show you each way. But first, let's go ahead and talk about each pattern block that we have. So the first one is a yellow hexagon. It has 6 sides. Then we have an orange square with 4 sides, a red trapezoid with 4 sides, a blue rhombus with 4 sides, a green triangle with 3 sides, and another rhombus with 4 sides. We call him a skinny rhombus because he's a little thinner than the blue one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how we are going to use these pattern blocks just in this blank area here. So first of all, I'm going to start with the hexagon. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on it. And once it has this blue circle around it, you can actually click on it and drag it and take it anywhere in the area that you want. Also, it's really important to know that these blue arrows, you can turn your shape back and forth. So you don't have to have it just straight up and down like this. You can actually turn it using these blue arrows. Now, if you're done with this particular shape, you could actually go outside of it, click on the outside, and now you are not going to have that blue circle anymore. So now the yellow hexagon is right where it needs to be. So maybe I want to pick another kind of design. I want to pick another pattern block. So I might go with the blue rhombus. And I'm going to put him right here. I'm just going to leave him just like that. I'll pick another blue rhombus. Maybe I'll put him over here like this. Another blue rhombus. Maybe stick him over here. And let me do one more blue rhombus. Okay. Now, I could leave my pattern design just as it is. Or maybe I might want to add another shape. I want to go for the red trapezoid, but maybe by accident, I clicked on the orange square and I didn't want that. Now you could take it and click it and drag it and leave it over here, or you can go down here to the garbage can, click on the garbage can, and it gets rid of that shape that you don't want. So now I want to go ahead and finish up this particular design. I'm going to go with the red trapezoid, but I want to fit him in this area. So I'm going to have to turn the trapezoid so he kind of fits a little better. Now it's not going to be super perfect, but it's going to work the best way that we could. So now I'm going to go ahead and take another red trapezoid, turn him, and trying my best to fit them right in that area. There we go. Oh, goodness. Okay, so now that's my pattern. I like it. I'm going to keep it just as it is. And if you want to do another one like this, you can click over here where it says Start Over. So it says clear all your work and start over. Maybe if I click that on accident, I could say no, and it's going to leave it right there. But if I want to start over and clear my board, I want to click yes. So notice how then it all went away. So now maybe you don't want to do that and you want to pick one of these pattern puzzles. So I want to go ahead and maybe I'm going to pick him. Now notice he doesn't have like a blue circle around him, but since it's a pattern puzzle piece, I can click on him and drag him around where I want him. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take maybe, you could fit just about anything in here as long as it's going to work. Like I can't put in a square and leave him like that and see how parts are left open. I don't want to do that. I want to have pattern blocks that are going to fit. So I might want to start with the yellow hexagon. I might want to put him right here in the center. Oh, and it's going to look pretty good here. Now, judging about what I have around, I might want to use some blue hexagons. Let's see. How do I want to fit these guys? As long as they are going to be in each part, fitting them just like a puzzle piece, it's going to work. So here we go. Okay. Ooh, I definitely have to move him a little bit more. And let's see here. This is working pretty well. And notice how I'm using these arrow tools because that's the only way I'm going to be able to complete this correctly. And check this out. I did it with a yellow hexagon and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blue rhombuses, and it totally works. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to work this really cool site. I'm going to have this particular site linked right after this video, so then you could work on some of your pattern designs. And I hope you have a lot of fun. All right, my kindergarten friends, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.